Go on, Tom. You know you want to. The go on approach. Hi, guys. My name's Deepak Shukla, founder at Pearl+Lemon Sales. We're a sales training and development agency based in the UK as well as the USA and serving clients worldwide. And here today, in day number 91 of 119 days of cold calling training, we're here to talk about the go on approach. But before we get into it, feel free to click the link in the description below to get access to 17 additional strategies that are not shared in this training. So, did you hear what I did as the opener, where I literally used the expression, go on, Tom, you know you want to. I am using the expression of, come on. And it's something that certainly here in the UK, as part of British culture, you often see or hear growing up that teenagers, when they're trying to convince someone of something, when your logical reasons have played out, when your emotional reasons have played out, you can heighten the emotional ultimately element of it by taking it back to the playground by using the expression, go on, you know you want to. And it will oftentimes, for those who are familiar with it, elicit laughter, elicit camaraderie, elicit a flashback, and elicit playful flashback to the playground and playfulness, because after everything's said and done, why not? Just do it. And it's that whole, JFDI, just effing do it, in the words I think of Richard Branson in his book. And it's a good way to to round off a call when you think, you know what, all my cards have been played. I've done this, I've done that, I've done that, and at the end of the day, you're like, come on, Tom, you know you want to, come on, yeah. So it's that kind of element that you're bringing to a call. So there will be a time, moment, and a place for this, and again, a lot of it depends upon the camaraderie of the call, if it's in keeping with that type of style, because there's some calls where, because of the professionalism of the call, that won't happen. So I see this as happening in, one in potentially 20 calls, but it's a useful play. It's a useful play because I've had that used upon me. It made me laugh, and then I just went with the appointment just for that ultimate reason, because outside of all of the logic and value behind the actual pitch, the go on just made me laugh and chuckle. And I thought, you know what? This is a fun human being. I appreciate that. And I'm just going to do it because why not? And it's that spirit. It's like it almost embraces the zeitgeist, the spirit of the time, the spirit of the time in this instance being that let's just do it. And that's what's often, it for me harkens back, um, childhood and the playground too, where someone just says go on, and it's also got the elements of ooh, 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 yeah. So it's really almost as if you're egging someone on. I think the expression is, have a look at googling that, egging someone on, cheering someone on, and urging them in a playful way to just make, to leap before you look, almost, or look before, but well, no, leap before you look, and cement the call. So it's not for everyone. I know that some of you will feel uncomfortable doing this, but it does work. I've had it work upon me. I've since used it. It has worked, and it does at least make people laugh. And yeah, that's it really. So go on, try and use this approach.